Today we introduce how to install OpenWrt system on OrangePi R1 LTS and set it up as a router. First, download the OpenWrt image. Visit the official website of OrangePi. Find the OpenWrt image of OrangePi R1 LTS. Here are two versions of the image. We can choose the latest v2.0 version to download. When the OpenWrt image download is complete, it takes 2 decompressions to get the file ending with img. What we need to write is this img file. Connect our TF card to our computer through a card reader. Open this writing tool Win32 Disk Imager. The specific method of use we have said before. You can see the previous video. Video link is below. You can also use Balena Etcher for writing. The method of use is also very simple. After writing the image to the TF card, insert the TF card into the OrangePi R1 LTS. Power on by a 5V 3A power adapter. Then connect our computer to the LAN port of R1 LTS through a network cable. Then after the computer obtains the correct IP address, we can enter the OpenWrt of R1 LTS through the browser. The default IP address is 192.168.2.1. After entering, the default password is empty. OK, this is the OpenWrt system I just wrote. First of all, we still have to configure its network port in the network. If your network is dialed by router, then we need to select the protocol as PO. Click Switch Protocol. Fill in our broadband username and password. Then click Save. Remember to connect our modem to the WAN port of R1 LTS so that our R1 LTS can dial up the internet. If your home network is not dial-up, then we choose the DHCP as the protocol here. Then connect to our modem. Now this computer should be able to connect to the internet. We can go to open a web page to try it out. If you can't open the web page at the moment, then you need to see if your WAN port settings are correct. If you can access the internet now, then we can connect the LAN port of R1 LTS to the WAN port of our wireless router or the switch, so that more devices can be accessed. Now the router settings of R1 LTS have been completed.